Alright. Got this boat motor that I bought, and the engine was really sad, and it looked like the bolts would bolt onto my GoPed engine. GSR 40, you know, a little bit of work on it. And come on now. That's a prop. Going to the clutch. You know? Let's see what happens. Not bad. Not bad. You know? Bought the setup for 200 bucks, and I got a brand new engine too. Not here, but yeah.